And that has got electrocuted, unfortunately. Hi, Stuart from Comet Pest Control. Returned to the Ashton Works on Upper Island Street, Sheffield 3. Problem with a dead rat in the back of the fridge freezer. Came around just over a week ago and carried out some baiting, and today I'm come back to check things. Let's have a look. Okay, we're back inside the main dwelling now. This is where we put the bait in the living quarters. I didn't expect to be anything around after moving the fridge freezer out, but there isn't anything. It's clear, so that's great news. So we'll get those away. Just check this. Nothing in the units. Nothing there. That's good. So let's have a look at the fridge freezer. Right, now in the dry store. I'm looking in the back of the fridge freezer, believe it or not. Some of the bait has been taken, and also is the remains of a somewhat malted mouse. And that has got electrocuted, unfortunately. There we go, one electrocuted mouse. How it's managed it, I don't know. But so we're going to cleanse the back of the fridge with some biocide. Must have chewed through a cable. There is a cable that's slightly bare, so it must have gone through that one. Anyway, let's give it some biocide. Let's give it a little bit of, this is a biocide, kills all bacteria. It's also a deodorant, so they can get the fridge back working again, and hopefully we're all clear. So certainly wasn't that one that's eaten the bait, so maybe there was either one still around or we had one in the dry store. So that looks much better. So we can wrap this one up now. So a bit of an interesting tale, that one. Rat goes in the back of a fridge freezer, chews into a cable, electrocutes itself, and fridge stops working. So now it's been removed, the area has been baited, and it's also been treated with the biocide, so the electrician should be able to fix it and it's back to business again. So that's it from Stuart at Comet Pest Control. Catch you later, bye now.